Hi, I'm Ross's mom, and I'd like to take a moment of your time to talk about Instagram. In the past, Ross has really discouraged me from trying to learn new technology because he knew I would be constantly on the phone asking questions and trying to figure out what I was supposed to do. So you can imagine my surprise when Ross called me and said, "Mom, would you like to learn how to use Instagram?" And of course I said yes. And by using his tutorial, I now know all the ins and outs of how to use Instagram. So if you're technology challenged like I am, I encourage you to go to the tutorial and take a look. I think you'll find it very helpful. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.